Hi, my name is Ted Valentinus, and I'm a brand ambassador here at Kair Ventilation. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on maintaining your KHRV150 single-room heat recovery unit. Today, we'll walk you through the process of cleaning and replacing the front and internal rear intake filters to ensure optimal performance. We recommend performing this maintenance at least once a year, ideally in September, as we approach the condensation season. This will ensure that your unit operates at its best, recovering heat efficiently when condensation is at its peak. Before starting, always isolate the fan unit from the main supply. Ensure the fan blades have completely stopped rotating before proceeding. Begin by opening the side grille flaps on both sides of the front fascia grille. This will reveal the tall intake extraction filters, which tend to get clogged from the air inside your property. We recommend vacuuming these filters every 3-6 months for optimal performance. Gently pull the filter covers in the direction indicated by the arrow to access the filters. If your filters are not cleaning well, it might be time to purchase replacements. These are readily available from your local supplier, and we have added a link in the description of the video. To access the internal rear intake filters, start by opening the front filter covers and unscrewing the 4 screws that hold the unit face to the backplate attached to the internal wall. Once the screws are removed, gently lever the main fan unit away from the wall, just a small distance, about 5 to 10 millimeters. The side doors will fall off. If you pull the unit further, it disconnects from the power supply via the connector block on the back wall plate. Once disconnected, the unit is completely isolated from the mains and can be gently pulled out. Remove the larger filters from the sides of the unit, located between the rear fan and the aluminum heat exchange unit. These filters clean the incoming air from outside, providing fresh and clean air while protecting the heat exchanger. This is a good opportunity to vacuum the aluminum heat exchanger using a brush and vacuum. Check for any dirt or debris and clean it with a dry cloth or fine brush if necessary. Also, ensure that your rear extract propellers are spinning freely, are dust-free, and have no obstructions. I'll also explain how to access the front fan. To do this, remove the front fascia by releasing the 4 springs on each side. This will give you access to the front supply propeller. Once cleaned, carefully insert the rear-wide filters back into their intended location by sliding each side in. These can be a bit fiddly, so ensure they are snug and airtight. Reassemble the fan unit, making sure all components like the outer cowl assembly and separator tube are securely in place. Make sure the Kair logo is at the bottom and the connector block is at the top. The connector block inside the rear of the front fascia must align with the 3 pins on the connector block on the rear wall plate. This is crucial for the unit to receive power. Slide the unit in, keeping it centralized. Ensure the 4 lugs on each side of the fan align with the front fascias on either side. Avoid forcing the unit if it's not properly aligned. Next, reattach the side doors for the front filters, top first, then the bottom, and close them over. Repeat this for the opposite side. Finally, push the fan unit all the way in to lock everything into place. Replace the 4 screws and insert your tall front filters on each side, then close the side doors. Your maintenance service is now complete. With the filters cleaned and the unit reassembled, your fan is now ready to operate efficiently, ensuring a clean air supply and prolonging the life of the unit. Remember to regularly maintain your filters for optimal performance. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Here at Kair Ventilation, we're here to help. You can get in touch by sending us an email at info@kair.co.uk or giving us a call at 0208 463 9695. For the last 35 years, we've received amazing feedback from our users. Let us know how your Kair HRV150 heat recovery unit has helped with your condensation and mould problems. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest products providing clean and fresh air for you and your loved ones.